Ginger shots are made from ginger, apple, and lemon. Yes, that's a lemon. It's the first time I've ever peeled a lemon. So I was wondering, do ginger and lemon really help your immune system? So I went to Google and I found this article from 2022 on the effect of natural product use prior to infection with COVID on disease severity and hospitalization. And I was surprised by the results. It says lemon and citrus fruits were associated with lower incidence of severe COVID-19 and hospitalization. Moreover, intake of ginger and green tea was associated with reduced disease severity. So let's go, let's make it. I got my blender out and put a cup of ginger, apple, lemon, and filled it with about 3 cups of water and blended it. And it was done, almost. So you have to strain it, and I couldn't find my cheesecloth, so I thought I'd try some alternatives. First, I tried a coffee filter. Well, at first it was all right. It ended up being quite slow, and I didn't want to wait all day. It's just dripping. So then I tried a paper towel, but that broke. A mesh strainer was okay, but it was also going to take forever, so I eventually went and found my cheesecloth. It was in the other room, and this was the best way. Yeah, and that's just squeezing out all the juices, every last drop. I ended up using all the fibrous stuff in my curry, and voila! It was done! You can put it in a little pretty bottle and drink it, take it with you, or have a proper shot, like I did.